Congratulations on your decision to sell your home. My name is Elizabeth, and in this series of videos, I'm going to be taking you step by step through the sale process so that you know exactly what to expect along the way. Now that you've signed your listing paperwork, it's time for staging and the photo shoot. Your realtor will send a stager to your home to make recommendations on how to best prepare the house for sale. The stager's job is to make sure your home looks its best for photographs and showings. The stager may ask you to rearrange furniture to help make a room seem larger. The stager may ask you to add or remove decor. They most certainly will ask you to declutter the surfaces of your home. You want buyers to picture themselves at home in the space. The more depersonalized your home looks, the more easily they'll be able to imagine themselves living there. So yes, little Sarah is a very talented artist, but it's time to put those masterpieces away for now. After your home is staged, our marketing team will come for the photo shoot. Our marketing coordinator will take measurements and make note of all the important features of the home. The photographer will capture all the hard work that you have done preparing the house. Please make sure your home is ready for its close-up by having it clean and decluttered. And don't forget to straighten up your outdoor areas. Make sure the lawn is mowed and the bushes are trimmed, because there will be exterior photos as well. After the marketing materials are ready to go and you and your realtor have decided on a date, your home will be ready to hit the market. I'll be back with another video to help you prepare for showings. See you then.